Solid Edge Synchronous technology makes it extremely simple to create initial designs and make unplanned changes, even when the geometry didn't originate in Solid Edge. Take this imported part for example. We can easily adjust its geometry while Solid Edge maintains any design intent. This of course can be changed on the fly if necessary by using the options in the on-screen panel. We'll reduce the width of these ribs by 2 mm. We may want to move this face. As we do, the model integrity is still maintained. Or we might want to adjust the height of the top mount by selecting multiple faces at once. We can even add dimensions direct to the model to control the geometry if necessary. Remember, this is an imported model, but the same principle applies to a native model. We may want to remove some features. This is as simple as selecting the faces we want to delete, then choosing the delete command. We'll make some further edits to this part by adjusting the spacing between the mounting holes. Of course, once again, if we wanted to control this via a 3D dimension, it's no problem. Even when geometry isn't dimensioned, we can modify its size, like here with these cutouts. Notice how the others change too due to our design intent settings. Solid Edge just takes care of this for us. We may want to turn these cut features into proper hole features. An easy job using hole recognition tools. Now we have specific hole features, let's edit them and switch them to counterbored holes. Here we could change any of the parameters if desired. Let's see how we can use this synchronous part in our assembly. We'll drag it in, then position it using some assembly mates. Then align these two holes to fully position it. We have another imported part which we've repurposed in Solid Edge. Let's drag it in. It's a motor which needs to attach to our adapter plate. We'll position it in the normal way using some more assembly relationships. Once it's positioned, we can see that the mounting flange does not fit the adapter. Not a problem. We'll just edit our adapter in the assembly. The Synchronous Extrude command allows us to quickly extrude geometry from peer parts and add it to the part we're editing. Now we can see that the parts match perfectly. Back in the assembly, it looks like there isn't much room between the parts for fixings to sit. Again, not a problem. Let's make some edits directly in the assembly. We'll select some of the geometry on the motor, then stretch it 25 mm to add some clearance. Then select the complete motor and some of the adapter plate to stretch the adapter neck by 20 mm. Solid Edge easily edits multiple parts at the same time at the assembly level, all powered by Synchronous technology.